Hello people, Jeff the King here and welcome to another episode of Minecraft Mod Show. And as you can see, I have a little HUD just stood around on my Minecraft here. I've got my little mini-map in the top right corner, and in the top left corner there is the time of day and how many days have actually passed. So this mod is CJB mod, which is basically, if you've heard of single player commands, which I'm guessing most of you have, it's basically like that, except instead of having to memorize what you need to type in to make stuff activate, you can just activate them from a menu. Now if you look on the HUD there, the little mini-map, you can see a green blob, and that green blob is a mob, which is this little chicken which is stuck in a tree. Let's see if we can give him a helping hand. There you go. And if you look on the top left, you will see a little image of a slime has appeared and says in chunk next to it, which basically means I am now inside the chunk which will where slimes will spawn. So if I just digged down right here, I would be able to get myself some slimes really easy without having to use the slime locator I used for my world, which is pretty darn useful. So if you want to open up, oh, it tells me what I have in my inventory as well, which is dirt. So if you want to open up your thing, I do believe it is Y, and you open up this menu, and as you can see there, achievements have been added to accommodate the new installations that have been put in. Up to date, yes. Check version, auto version, check true. Main menu key Y. Disable hotkeys, false. Disable hunger, false. So if you put that on true, obviously you won't get hungry anymore. More info on, teleport on, minimap on, x-ray on, cheats on. Then you have all these little different things. So we got x-ray here, which basically means all these things in red, it won't show me. Everything else it will show me where it is. So if I want to go, you know, I don't care about you, don't care about iron ore, don't care about you, don't care about you. All I really want to see is diamond. So you all can just bugger right off. I'll let it show the mob spawners and they can go away. I'll let it show me sorry about that, guys. I'll let it show me lava just in case. Cobwebs can go away, because if I was right above a dungeon that would just be awkward. So basically it's just going to show me the diamond in the area if I use x-ray, and if I actually try and find out the buttons that I need, help would be a good start. Change log, FAQ, x-ray only brightens the world, install blah blah blah, info, refreshes the entire mod. Does that mean it just changed all? No, that's okay. How do I actually activate the x-ray then? It will be a key of some kind. Obviously not that. Whoop. What did I just press? X. Oh well, that's blatantly obvious. I should have tried that button first, really, shouldn't I? So X will activate the X-ray, and obviously you can't really move around with this because it's being like that. And I think that's clay that I've accidentally left on. There's some lava down there, and if you look really deep, I think that's showing me redstone there, so I forgot to turn redstone off. There's a dungeon there that you can see because of the mob spawner. It's barely visible because my render distance is down because of my crappy ass laptop, but you basically can get the gist of what this does. I mean, if I turn that back off and went back on Y, sorry, why did I press C? And turn it so it shows me gold ore, iron ore and coal ore again, and then I close this down and go X, whoop, there we go. We have some iron right there, a shit ton of coal all around me, but that's pretty much to be expected within 1.0. Coal seems to be everywhere, I just splashed in water. So yeah, it's not a very useful thing to be doing while you're moving around, but it can give you little short bursts of telling you where stuff is. Obviously a lot of people would see this as cheating. If I had this installed, it'd be mainly for the minimap and the slime finder. I don't think I'd really be using the x-ray, and I should close x-ray first. Don't think I'd be using this menu, which is cheats. So for the player, you can get infinite health, unbreakable armor. Obviously you just click on these and it goes from false to true, and obviously true means it's activated. Infinite breath. We can turn that on to show you what one hit a block, which is basically like creative mode. One hit kill mobs, which is basically one hit killing. Unbreakable items, infinite arrows, no fall damage, which I guess you can use. You can control the minecart exactly where it's going. Extended reach, which is pretty funky, and pick up all arrows. So we will just close this menu again, and extended reach will show you that I can reach all the way over there, and obviously the one hit blocks is activated as well, so that's happening. In my opinion, extended reach would probably get quite annoying, but I can see its usefulness. Infinite breath, let's swim over to here. Actually, let's just dig down. Obviously you can see that my bubble meter there isn't going down, so this has given me infinite water breathing. I almost did another Skyrim reference, but I'll stop myself right there. So then back to Y. So you got them, you got things that affect the world. Instant furnace, I don't understand what that one's going to do. Walk over soil, don't get that. Fast growth, that means things like trees and stuff will grow quicker than what they normally would, and I'm guessing baby animals as well. No pickaxe for stone. Attractive items, why not put that on? Editable mob spawners, so those are the type of things. Weather, you can have always day, which I'll put on for the fact I'm doing a little mod review right now. You can have it always raining, always thunderstorming, always night. I will show you always night just to show you what it's like, and then I will knock my button and switch it back to day because night is just annoying. Flying key B, fly up, R, fly down, F, speed key, left shift. So this installs flying, which obviously you can do in creative mode, but if you don't want to be in creative mode and you want to be flying, you can just activate B, and flying hasn't been activated. So we can now fly around, and obviously, unlike creative mode, the actually mods that have flying in tend to be a bit more controlled over how you fly, so it's nice and slow right here. But if you really want to go fast, you go back into here, you go always speed, what's maximum? 10. So we'll go speed 10 and move like a bat out of hell, which is very, very difficult to control. Fraps is loading my world really slowly because I just move so damn much. But yeah, if you want to get somewhere really, really fast, if you're bored of where you are, you want to try and find a village or something, this is definitely a fast way around the world. Whoop. Yeah, we're going to stop that. False. Y. B, flying inactivated. So we got those. We have TP locations, mob filter, we can turn off which mobs actually spawn, so we can get rid of villagers because they're crap. We can't get rid of mushrooms, we'll get rid of squids, they're also crap. Let's say we can get rid of aggressive mobs, say you don't want creepers creeping up on you all the time. Slimes, I don't see why you turn them off. Silverfish, you could turn off the ender dragon, making the last thing quite easy, but I think that'd be a bit pointless now, wouldn't it? Ghast, zombie pigmen, blaze and magma cubes, you can turn whichever ones of these you want off. Let's say we just want gas to be going away. And he has his own mobs, which I didn't know about this actually. Bunnies and dogs. So we got some bunnies and dogs which we will try and have to find, but I doubt it will. Well, there's a green blob over there. What are you? Are you that same chicken? You're my only friend. Oh well. So we have them, and we have chat menus. We won't fight about with them, seeing as though we're by ourselves. Obviously that's the X-ray, waypoints, and information, and we have item spawners. So potions. So I can just get myself a potion of regeneration. Oh look, it's inside my inventory. How useful is that? There's a steak. There's another steak. There's another steak. Hey look, I have diamond. And I have sticky pistons. Pretty sure I'm pretty set for the rest of the time now. And we have some special items on here. We have a dragon egg, and a wrath of notch, and night vision goggles, and we have a dog biscuit and a dog collar, which I'm guessing is taming the dogs. Portable workbenches, which are useful, and a recycler. I'm guessing that gets rid of stuff. Right. We'll walk forward here and we'll just get rid of this crap. We don't need this. We don't need this. I've got no hunger bar, so we don't need this. We don't want dirt. And as much as it pains me, we'll get rid of this diamond. Why not? So we'll go back into this menu. We'll get ourselves one of these, one of these, one of these. There's no point getting these. We'll get a recycler just to check that. Trash can. Pressure plate gold. Reversed pressure plates. That seems like a useful thing. And did we get night vision goggles? We did. So let's put a recycler on the floor. So I want to get rid of this. And it's gone. Ooh. That's what it does. It gives you what made it. So to make that, I guess, we can go onto our thing here. And we go douche, douche, and douche. And we have a mobster wand. This is what the portable workbench does. You just right click it and you've got a workbench no matter where you go. So let's see what this does. Oh, we've got a pig. And another pig. Okay, so how do I edit what it does? Whoa. We got like a wind thing. Ah. Fus-ro-dah! Well, that's entertaining. Okay then. So we have a dragon egg. I don't really... I don't know what that's going to do. Night vision goggles. I'm guessing I have to equip these like this. Whoa! That's some crazy stuff. That noise is well annoying though. So that's that. And we have a Wrath of Notch. Hi. Which is amazing. I don't even know if that's actually going to be able to hatch. Yeah, piggy, 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 piggy. Oh, I broke it. Yeah, it has to be in the yellow version to actually be able to activate, and you get like 10 uses out of it before it's gone. So that's a shame. But we got some plenty of cool stuff, and I've set fire to a tree, and I think the main thing I love this for is the mini-map. It is a very, very useful tool, and the in-chunk slime. Yeah, I know, I got wood. The inbuilt slime chunk generator, whatever. It's not a generator in any way, it just tells you where they are. That's also very useful, but it's a cool little mod that gives you plenty of stuff and new things, and I don't know if this is actually able to hatch. Whoop. Oh, it's literally like the dragon egg from the end. You hit it, it teleports, like an enderman or ender dragon would. Whoop. Can you do anything other than teleport? That would be a no. Oh well. So this is CJB, sorry, mod, and I hope you guys have enjoyed today's episode. See you next time.